Good morning from Capitol Hill, where the one big beautiful bill moved to the Senate floor late Saturday night. Democrats on Sunday forced the reading of the entire bill. Throughout today will be the Vote-a-Rama, where Democrats especially will offer up amendments trying to derail the measure. Senator Chris Murphy on NBC's Meet the Press.
By almost a 2-to-1 margin, the American people hate this piece of legislation because it's going to represent the biggest transfer of wealth and money from the poor and the middle class to the rich in the history of the country. It's not about efficiencies in Medicaid. CBO, which is the Congressional Budget Office, nonpartisan, says it's going to kick between 10 and 15 million people off their health care.
Last week, the Senate parliamentarian forced some wording changes to the bill and may still play a role in how Republicans can get it approved with a simple majority. The key issue for even some Republicans is how much of Medicaid is being forced onto the states if they want to continue to cover those millions more Americans.
Medicaid has grown 50% in 5 years. It's about to take over Medicare. What we've done is limited the growth to 6% for 2 years, 4% after that, so Medicaid is not cut. But what Obama did, Medicaid originally was for children and disabled people, and Obama expanded it to include able-bodied adults.
That's Senator Lindsey Graham on ABC's This Week. Obamacare was always designed to use Medicaid as an alternative for covering those who made too much to qualify for Medicaid but did not have coverage for whatever reason. That was part of the plan. And with the pandemic and job losses it created, more able-bodied adults were able to get coverage via Medicaid. The One Big Beautiful bill also would save Uncle Sam money by punishing states that did expand Medicaid to cover the uninsured under Obamacare. The states would have to pick up the decreased billions of dollars if they wanted to keep the same numbers of people covered. It's expected many states will be forced to drop a good number of recipients. That's where the criticism by numbers comes in for Democrats. But it also prompted Senator Tom Tillis, a Republican from North Carolina, to vote against moving forward with the bill late Saturday night. Facing heaps of trashing from President Trump, Tillis announced he would not seek re-election next year. That could actually make Tillis' seat competitive in North Carolina, where former Democratic Governor Roy Cooper is considering running against whoever the Republican candidate might be. With ear on the White House, I'm Bob Costantini.